Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to carry on with our R2D2 model. So we've done the body and the head. We will refine some details in a bit as well, but let's move on to our legs. So what we're going to do, we'll do one and then we're going to mirror it across, but let's turn on our side canvas. I'm going to create a sketch. I'm just trying to see, I feel like. Let's go see if it's circle, 2-point circle. Then let's go down to a bit like that. Then let's come across it, we're going to mirror it. I'm just using that as a reference so that I can come down here. Something like that. I'm going to keep zooming in and out so I can look at the big 3D model as well. I'm going to see circle, come to the middle and do that as well. Let's modify, extend like that, and then let's mirror across. Let's grab those, let's mirror across there, and finish sketch. I'm just going to grab all of these bodies for now, hit visibility to hide it all. So then I can grab these profiles, hit E to extrude, drag it out. So now I've got that, but what I'm going to do is grab that body, right click, move, copy. Move it out a bit more. About there. Then let's turn all this back on so we can sort of see how it's looking. Okay. Grab that. And I feel like we're going to do a push pull just to make it a bit bigger. There we go. Okay, so we've started. That's always the hardest bit, getting the first bit of the model done. Okay, let's create a sketch. P to project, just so I can get this middle bit of the circle here. Let's then take that and offset in the line. I think I'm just going to draw 1/2 and mirror that across. And let's pattern that across. That's going to create a circular pattern. And then let's trim those so it's all one profile. There we go. Finish sketch. I'm going to hit E. Bring that. Sometimes Fusion's camera is super annoying. Bring it down to there. That's a new body. What else am I going to do? Two-sided so that I can drag. That down a bit. Gonna chamfer these a little bit, I feel. Not quite that much, something like that. Then I feel we want to have sketch P to project. I hit alpha line, just grab that and then just come down. I'm going to turn again. Let's turn all of these bodies off so we can see what's going on properly. Except for that one. The end. Just project as well, so hopefully now, yep, that's a close profile. Let's also project that. So now I can get this bit of profile. I'm going to grab that, hit E to extrude. Just bring it out a little bit first. And then let's do what we did before. Let's move into position. So I'm going to take this body, right click, move copy. Rotate around a bit. Press pull. To about there. Okay, so now starting to get some bits we can work with. We can now do some proper sketches on here as well. I do think what I'm going to do as well, let's just turn that off. Get a sketch on this plane here. Just drag that in a bit. There you go, just so it's closed a bit there. Chamfer. Okay. Line across. In the middle. Let's do a 3-point arc. Actually, no, let's not do that yet. Okay. I was going to have to see 2D wise, which is why I'm sort of looking at this bit. That's it, E to extrude. I'll grab these profiles and come up to here. I'm going to set to new body. In fact, do that first. Modify. Let's try if draft will work. Perfect, that's exactly what we're after. Let's do that. So I'll give myself creative license with, because I'm following the reference bottom master, so I'll go by what I feel might look good. Sketch, going to give us a quick save so we don't lose anything. Split body, U. Okay, let's go to create pipe. Yes, that's a bit better. Come back those back together again. Okay. Okay, so I want to chamfer these bit a little bit. Probably a wise idea to fill it as well, so let's do a point. Okay. So it's starting to resemble a leg-ish. Okay, everything here is leg. Rectangle. Control C, Control V. Bring that down. Rectangle. E and drag those down. Let's fill it. These bits. Okay, so inside of those, this one here we've got like impossible to see. Let's turn that off. Let's do it this way. Let's do a cylinder. Drag it all the way down. Let's do new body. Move copy. But let's do press pull. Okay, so from that, let's then do a couple of lines. Make sure it's straight though. Okay. Split body. Press pull. Quick one. Press pull. Quick one. Press pull. Quick one. Then let's modify chamfer. then combine all this back together again. Just decombine like that. And let's just click these surfaces to fill it. Like that. Okay, so we've got that inside of there. What do we want inside of here? Just some mechanical looking thing, really. Okay, let's mirror that. And then let's pattern that around. E to extrude. So that's new body. Let's see if we can shove through it, see how that looks. Yeah, something like that. Control C, Control B. And let's bring that into here as well. But maybe let's rotate it so it's not exactly the same. Something like that. So just want to select this. There we go. So I feel like we've got the top part done. There is one more bit I've noticed. I feel like we want to have this sort of hinge bit done as well. So let's do that. Let's do another cylinder. New body, take that, your copy. Why are you not moving? So what? For now, let's just press pull. Up there. Same thing here. Let's press pull. Move copy. Like that. Project line in the middle. I'm just going to trim that a bit so I can then pattern it here. Create and mirror. Let's grab that, mirror it there. Then we can split that body again. So split body. Grab that and that. Then let's press pull. Okay. Sometimes that happens, so what we do, take that, Control C, Control V, enter, C, Control V, enter, C, Control V, enter. Okay, so now what I should be able to do, modify jumper. And let's combine those back together again. Okay, so we've got what looks like our hinge detail. And I think last little bit would be just to add a little rectangle for it to actually join onto. New body. Combine, cut, keep, do that. Let's do the same on this one. Rectangle. Extrude, come up, new body, fillet, 5, and then let's do a combine cut as well. Not with that one. That's the target body, that's the tool body. Let's then combine those two together like that. Then we'll have that on the other side, so let's do a mid-plane between there and there. Let's mirror those bodies, so to create mirror, wrap those two, select that mirror plane, click OK. Turn that off for now by hitting V for visibility. So we've now got that mirror, that hinge on both sides. And then these three here we're going to remove. Okay, so I feel like we've pretty much got the top of his leg done. Feel like rectangle, try that again, rectangle to there. Third time lucky. E to extrude. Let me bring that down slightly. And then I feel like we're going to have a split line across there, split body, create and pipe. Like that. Might make a smaller look in a sec. Well, actually, probably about right. Let's just then fillet those. Okay, let's then combine those back again. Okay, give this a save. We're making some good progress, I feel. Let's do modify, chamfer, bring that back. I'm gonna do a sketch. In the middle. It's definitely not in the middle. There you go. Create mirror. And then let's extrude, cut that down a bit. Two-sided, come in a little bit as well, like that. Okay. Let's press pull. There we go. Fillet. There. No, I think fillet. There as well. Okay. Okay, let's start to get ourselves a bit more organized. So let's take everything to do with body, which I think is going to be up to. So let's go to create a new component. Call that body. Everything to do with the body. There we go. Let's then take that and drag that into body. Let's then create a new one. Call it head. I'm trying to remember which parts. Where does the leg start? It's going to be. Okay, so there's the head. And then new components. That leg. Let me take the rest of those. There you go, so now we've got that a bit more organized, it's easier to navigate. What's this does a large head. You go to head. I'll just call another one back up because I've got a backup. If I turn off those, I've got a backup head inside and outside bit just in case I decide to change how I'm going to do the head as well. Okay, so that means I'm more organized there. So let's turn on, excuse me, get rid of that completely. Okay, so in this body here, what's this one? This one needs to be in the head one. There we go. Okay. So let's turn our leg back on. Turn our leg of that other active component so we can see what's going on a bit better. Let's turn on our canvas. Okay. So let's do a sketch on this part here. And then let's do a line in the middle and come out up there. And then let's find that middle again, so we can put the end of that line. And then mirror that across. Let's go to create and mirror that line. Okay, let's go to create arc, a 3-point arc, grab those two. And realistically, how big do we want it? Something like that. Let's just bring this down just to see. I'm going to change it to new body for now. Let's have a look. Okay, I don't think we want it to be that big. No, definitely not. So we want it to be around like there. Okay, so let's edit that sketch. Something maybe like that. A bit too much. Let's go. Something like that. Let's drag it. Okay, let's drag it in. Well, let's trim this bit. Create arc, a 3-foot arc. What's that? Still a little bit too big, right? Getting there now. There you go, that looks more like it. Let's just turn off that canvas for now. Make sure we're doing our extrude. We'll grab it all the right bits. So we don't want those bits. There you go, that looks better. Okay, so how else do we want that to be? It's going to give me a pipe around that, so let's go to create pipe. Let's new body, make it a bit smaller, something like that. Okay. Let's then combine those together. Down. Let's pull this down. I think all the way to the end. Let's do that. And let's start editing from the front first. So let's sketch B to project. Let's do a line like that. We'll do a line down the middle. Let's mirror that across. So create and mirror. Grab that. Do that. Let's split body. Okay. I no longer want you or you. Let's right click and remove. Okay, and there's going to be a cut on the side. Let's go to the front. So let's start a sketch. Okay, let's do split body. Split using U. Turn that sketch back on. think now we don't want that bit, I think. Let's turn everything else back on for now, quickly. Okay, that looks about right. I think we are going to want that, because what we're going to want to do is cut this one as well. So let's do another sketch. Great, let's do an arc and do like a curved one. Something like that. Split body. This bit we then don't want. Let's turn that off. Okay, let's now just quickly turn that off. Let's fill it. That, and then turn that on. Okay, start to take shape. Again, I'm just going to keep getting the habit of saving these. So these are getting part of the legs, so I'll drag them into the legs. Once I finish modeling it, just keep it all a bit better organized. I'm not going to remove that just yet, just in case I need it. But let's have a look at the front of it. Can I do a tangent plane on that? Can. Perfect. Let's do a line. No, in fact, let's do slot, center slot. There we go. Let's E to extrude it. Make sure that's set to new body. Let's try this, so I'll fillet both these surfaces, put it around. That's not quite how I want it. Let's get rid of that. Let's edit this sketch. Let's go up. Trim all of these bits, we don't want them. There we go. Right, now let's sketch. Circle, 2-point circle. Middle. Create a mirror with that. What's there? Help line. Come up. Intersection. Trim away. Okay, so let's revolve that. Revolve. Sketch back on. U. Axes. U. So the new body. Okay, there we go. Turn that sketch off. We now have an awful lot of sketches. Right, let's have a look. Okay. Sketch. Outline. Create arc. Frequent arc. Split that. New sketch. Split body. Split using that. Let's create and pipe. How does that look? Pretty good. Let's do a fillet. Is that just too big? Okay. Let's leave that for now. Do we got those details in? What other details do we want? Okay. Great sketch. Just Control C, Control V to copy those. Something like that. Again, let's split body. There we go. And then let's see if it all matters. Let's press pull. Let's go smaller though. Why not? Let's see. There we go. Let's then fill it. Those. Combine them back together again. Okay. And let's do a combine cut. Target body U. Tool body U. Cut. Keep the tools. Okay. So that means let's put down we want still. We will combine these back together again. Once we're sort of finished with the overall shape, we'll give this a quick little save. Let's focus on the bottom for a little bit. So let's come to the bottom. Okay, so there's like that square bit at the back. What we're going to do is let's create a sketch in the middle. So that's again, we'll do rectangle, center rectangle. Make sure I actually get that point. Okay, how big does that need to be? Oh, not far away actually. Okay, and then sticking it outwards, how far is it? That's about right, I'd say. But I do think what we don't want is this back bit. So let's just do that. E to extrude. Let's grab all these profiles. Let's rotate around. Let's drag down. Now what we want to do, change up the new body still. Taper angle. A little bit more. How does that look? Looks about right. Okay. Okay, why have I got a bit of a weird... There we are. For some reason that isn't quite centered. Let's right click, move copy. There we go. Right. Let's press, pull this off a bit. Let's hit E to extrude and then bring that down a bit. Okay. Billet. All of these. A bit more. Till it comes. Oh, so we see what we're doing. Grab this bit as well. That's that look. Oh, I missed one. Let's go back, edit, and then control. Grab that one. There we go. Right, it's starting to look more and more like actual leg. Let's cut those details in. Okay, so this is going to be details going to come out. Okay, right. Let's turn it off. Let's do an offset plane. Make sure I've got construction tent on and drag that out to about there. But I didn't need to do that, I could have just sketched on there, but never mind. Sketch, canvas. Let's do P project. Well, the whole reason why we're doing people project is just so we can make sure we can mirror everything as we need to. Let's hit elf line. Mirror that. Then let's also have this create mirror, grab that, create arc, 3-foot arc, and let's do a couple more lines. Create a mirror, grab those. There. Okay. So E to extrude. Let's grab these ones because it's going to be the same, I feel. So I'm going to drag through, but then let's do two-sided. Change the new body. Okay, maybe not actually. Maybe this is a case for emboss. Let's have a look. Create. Right, emboss. Let's do. Yeah, that looks better. then just fill it, those details. Then let's turn that sketch back on. This one I don't think is going to be in a basket, it wants to be like straight, so let's grab that, extrude, change that to new body. Two-sided. Let's just check canvas. Yeah. Let's combine cut. Modify chamfer. Not that. This. Then let's fill in those chamfers. There we go. Okay. Again, let's give that a quick little save. Okay, so I feel like what we're going to do now move that one because I don't think we need that anymore. Hide that. Let's create a sketch. Rectangle. E to extrude. This camera is getting quite annoying. Let's turn that canvas off. Cut through. Two-sided. Like that. Let's see if it'll like a chamfer. I don't know, because we've got this billet in my side. It doesn't like a chamfers. So let's try. Okay. Good. Turn that canvas back on. Let's create a sketch of a rectangle. Create, emboss, U. We don't want to be far. Okay, that's about right. Modify, chamfer. Okay, so here we want to have those cables coming out, don't we? We don't know where they're going to go into yet, so let's sort of leave that. Okay, so we know we're going to have those cables, but we need to figure out where we want to put to, which is going to be this bit here. But we also want to have, I guess, like a slider or a runner that's going to go in there. Okay. Give it a quick save. Hopefully nothing crashes. There we go. Turn that off. In fact, let's just isolate this one first. Create a sketch up there. Do a rectangle in the middle. Let's pull the surface in so it doesn't break through. Like that. Press pull here as well. There we go. Combine, cut, target body, tool bodies, view, new. A chamfer. Let's do chamfer on just these edges. Go. Okay. Making some good progress, I feel. Watch quickly again. Give this another save. Right, let's do this bit at the back. Okay, so it does cut into it. Okay, interesting. Let's do that first then. Let's do line down to there. Let's do arc, 3-point arc. I think Fusion's starting to slow on me a little bit because it's got quite a complex model. Right, let's split body, grab that. And then that bit we don't want. Let's remove that. And then just quickly let's tidy that up. That went surprisingly well. That's not the question. Right, let's start the sketch. Let's have a look. So, right, create slot, center slot. A circle. Team circle. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Control C, Control V. Up you come. Alpha line. Hold on Shift. Make it tangent. Again, hold on Shift and it'll sort of click and drag in. And hit E. Why are you not? Let's profile. What have I missed? Because you're attached to there, which is not what we want. Again. E. Extrude. Okay, so we're going to cut there to there. Okay. Right, what else do we want on this thing? So there's going to be some pistons of some kind, I imagine. Yeah, okay, so let's have a little cut in. Let's sketch. So let's B to project, and let's offset. And then let's do line there to there, there to there. E drag in. Right. Oh no, it's going to cut all the way across. Okay. There we go. Let's construct mid-plane between there and there. And let's mirror that across. Create, mirror, change up the features, by extrude. And that. There we go. Click that and hit V for visibility to turn it off. Okay. Cables on this side. So let's do sketch, do circle, grab that, Control C, Control V. E to extrude. Let's create a sketch. Offset. -0.08. New sketch. Offset. -0.08. E to extrude. Drag it in a little bit. Then let's modify chamfer. And let's fill up our chamfers. There we go. That's ISO. Something like that. Okay. Bear with me 1 second. Here as well. So Control V. Let's extrude. That's out as well. Then start sketch. Offset. Do that 0.08. 0.08. Looks about right. Sketch. Sketch. Offset. -0.08. Drag those in a little bit. Then let's modify chamfer. Fillet. The reason why I'm filleting on top of the chamfers is just so I don't end up rendering with like super sharp edges, because it still looks a bit, I guess at least this way they'll look a little bit more rounded. Okay. So now we want to make some cables coming across there. So let's go to spline, get point spline. Go sketch. Copy. W. Move the whole thing. You want me to do it individually. Sketch objects. Okay, right. Annoying, but let's construct access for a cylinder. There. Let's then construct plane at an angle. Then let's start a sketch there. Now let's do spline. Sketch. And now we can grab these dots. Grab that. Copy. I want you to come over here, please. Just grabbing each point of these splines. So I may have created too many points, but we can always delete a few of them. So let's maybe not. I think okay. Because we'll just okay, so I can just delete individual ones. There we go, looks a bit better. Okay. Okay. Create pipe body. How does that look? So what I can do now is still grab these. So some updates live a bit. There you go, look a bit more like it. There you go. Actually, I think that might not be bad. Let's give this a quick save, because what I'm going to try and do is increase the thickness of that. I don't want to break. Okay, that's probably the things we can do then. Fine. Okay. Let's give that a save. So we've got one done. I don't think it's going to let us copy and paste that one and edit it. So if I have to take Control C, Control V. Let's try. Well, I've not got a lot of faith in it, so we'll see what happens. We'll see, copy. Yeah, we can't. No, let's get rid of that. So let's do the same thing. Let's go to construct axis through a cylinder, and then construct plane and angle. Then create sketch, spline, sketch. Copy. Okay, don't want all these constraints on here. I'm just going to select those and then hit delete on my keyboard. Now I should be able to move freely. There we go. That's better. Create pipe. Okay, now the problem it's saying here is that it's intersecting itself. So let's I imagine it's probably going to be around here. Let's try again. Create pipe. New body. There we go. Let's turn that sketch back on. Move copy. Okay, and then that one's pretty much fine as it is, but let's just move it across a little bit. Okay. Right. Cables are done. Let's give that a save. What else do we need? Just have a look at what's going on. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Not far away. Let's turn off that. We can keep the leg on for now. Right. Okay, there's a little bit of detail in there to do. And then the pistons, let's do those pistons now, and then we'll do the details. Okay. Create. Let's do it this way. Change that to new body. How do they look? Okay, so create sketch. I'm just going to have a split there, so it's going to sketch, split body, grab those, press pull. Okay, remember sometimes it's going to do that, so what we can do, Control C, Control V, duplicate that bit, and then get rid of the original. And then we can drag that one bigger like that. So we don't want that bit. Don't know why it does that, but sometimes it does. Let's see, Control V. Which way? It's those. Control C, Control V. Drag across. Like that. Then let's grab all of them. Control C, Control V. Drag it to the side. Like that. Okay. So I think that's that like a back part done. Yes, we've got those details in. Yeah, there's nothing else there, so let's just move those out a little bit. Let's just. My mouse is annoying me. F for fillet. Like it. We'll spend a bit of time once we're finished going around and just making sure I've filleted everywhere, because just having sharp edges makes it look a bit weird. It doesn't quite render very well. When I remember, I try and do it as I go, but sometimes I forget, which is a bit annoying. Okay. Right, back bit done. Oh, wait, no, I'm not done up here. There you go. Here, then got a rectangle. Do center rectangle, find the middle. E to extrude. Come out a little bit. Modify, chamfer, fillet. And then we're just going to have rectangle. think. Let's do that. There you go. Okay. Turn on our canvas again. Here is done, so we want these vents going in around here, I feel, so let's do that. And okay, let's create pattern, rectangular pattern, change up the features, group those, axes, group you, drag you across. Okay. Let's then do the same, get that little safety save. On this side. Multiply, chamfer. Fillet. Go. Then let's pattern that across. Pattern, rectangular pattern, features. U3, axes, there, and then drag across. More like it. Okay, I'm going to leave that on save, just don't want it to crash. Right, let's see if we can mirror that across rather than redoing that. So we should have a mirror plane there. Yes, let's go to create mirror features. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select you. Oh, I don't know. Not quite the center, so I don't know if it's going to work. No, it's not. Mind. Create sketch. Rectangle. Key to extrude. Drag down. Modify and chamfer. Fillet. R3. Create pattern, rectangular pattern, features, grab those 3 axes, any straight line will do. Drag across. go. Right, I think that's pretty much finished for the bottom part. Let's canvas back on. So we've got all of these details already. We've got the back part. I guess really it's now more about here, isn't it? Okay. Combine cut U. There we go. Okay, that looks more like it. Canvas again. So we've got those details in. So I think it might just be that piston type thing here we're missing. Yeah, I don't think we're missing else out on the side. That's what we could do if we wanted to. Give that a save. Create a sketch. I guess we just want to sort of create panel type bits, really, don't we? Project. Do individual bits, so I can do that bit. Do alpha line and come across there. New body. Move copy. Let's do a tangent plane on that. I always check. I can't. Well, let's try that again. Page project. Grab that. Alpha line. Okay. Create. Emboss. Okay. That hit E to extrude. What if we edit that sketch, offset? Okay, we can't. Surely you can offset. Yeah, you can do. Okay. There you go. Will you let me split the body with this? Would that work? Oh, that would. Okay. Cool. Right. Chamfer. Bind these back together again. Construct. I don't know if this is going to work or not. Let's try that. Axis for a cylinder. Construct. Plane at an angle. Create mirror body. Select. Okay. Not quite as intended, but it worked pretty good, I'd say. Let's do a combine cut using that. And then same thing here, let's do a combine cut of that using that. Okay, and let's figure out what body we don't need anymore. Okay, that one we definitely don't need, it's right in the middle, so let's review. You we do want. Okay. Good. So I think then the last thing is just to have this piston. So I'm just going to grab all of those. I just move them into like so it's all one piece. Give that a save. And now that we've got all of those, what we can do, turn our body and head back on so we see what's going on. Turn our canvas back on. Okay, so we're nearly done. We are nearly there. I think maybe what we want to do as well, E to extrude, come in, so maybe not. Right. Let's take a look at this canvas. It's like the same thing we've done loads of times already, actually, isn't it? Yeah, right. Easy peasy. Canvas, turn off. Let's create a sphere. Not sphere, sorry, cylinder. Create sketch. Just do Control C, Control V. These are all the bits that we're going to use just to cut it. Okay, go sketch, split body. Let's use all of these. Okay, press pull. Okay, now remember the way to get around that is to duplicate, and then you can press pull like that. There is a way around that, as annoying as it is. Okay, same thing, let's grab that one. Control V to duplicate. Don't want you. Press pull. Right, and then let's create pipe. Make some cuts. Right click, repeat pipe. Something like that. That's done. Create chamfer. Just trying to create some mechanical looking, really, so it doesn't matter if we're not meeting our reference or anything like that. We're just trying to go with what we think looks right. All these fillets again, I'm not doing one, like a very specific one for a reason, it's just ones that are sort of trial and error. So if you're following along and you're using a slightly different one, it's not a big deal. Let's combine all of these together. Okay. Like maybe what we want to have here. Like that maybe. Let's do a combine cut. That. There we go. Okay, I think that's pretty much our leg done. So we go through, see if there's any bits and stuff I need to add. As I said, just to avoid any of those really sharp edges. What looked like past me was quite good. Getting loads of them done. Okay, what sort of colours? I guess it's mainly going to be the white, isn't it? So let's... the bits that are blue will be that bit. These bits. These are white looking bits. Those bits. Right, and then we want like a rubber or something for our... cable, isn't it? Okay, we are going to texture this in another texturing software, but for now I just want to sort of like get a rough idea how we're looking. I feel like these bits are supposed to be white as well. Nearly there. Okay, that looks more like it. Those hinges serve as well. Okay. I think just that bit blue as well. Is that a whole body? Can we not just do that? We can do. Perfect. Then just to break it up, maybe? No. Do. Face. No. Okay, give that a save. So we've now got leg done. Let's just drag some of these bits. These bits I don't want. We'll click, move, drag that into leg. Let's turn everything else back on. So we want to mirror that. So let's construct axis through a cylinder. Construct midplane. Oh no, not midplane, sorry. Construct plane at an angle. Change that to 90. Right. We'll give this a save. This is probably gonna compute for a while and I want it to crash. I don't think we'll save it, but we've on the computers. There we go. Create mirror components leg select that. Okay. Okay, that took way less time than I thought it was going to. Okay, turn that off. Right, so we are not far away actually, so probably one more part. I call it an episode then, where we sort of do the base little bit, refine any little details, and then jump over to texture. Part of me before, because I'm recording this in like batches, part of me isn't liking the head, so I'm not sure whether we're going to redo the head or not. But body and legs seems to be going very, very well, so we'll stop there. I hope you're enjoying following along. If you've got any questions, leave a comment down below, or email design with Simon at outlook.com.